Hey guys, this is a bike check on my custom Marino. Let's start with the parts. It's got 170mm travel Marzocchi Z1s. Pretty good forks, stiff. Not exactly super light, but it's not what I went for the build. Got a Hope headset to keep it spinning nicely. A Hope stem and top cap as well. And continuing with the Hope theme, we've got Hope brakes. Got the E4 4 pistons. Keep me upright, I've got the nuke-proof Horizon carbon bars with 38mm rise. With the DMR Death Grip Race Edition. Also have a P&W loam lever in red with the grey body. Hunt Enduro wide wheels with Schwalbe eddy current tyres. There you go, there's the E4s. Race face turbine cranks, Danny McCaskill stamp pedals, Brand X dropper post, nuke-proof neutron seat. One of my favourite parts on the bike is the XTR 1x11. Running an 11-46 cassette, 34 tooth chainring. Got a little Marino chain guide that came with the frame. Little Hope seat clamp on there as well. Another little thing is the Syncross trail fender mudguard. And finally the frame itself. Custom geometry, 62° head angle, 77° seat angle, 430mm chain stays, 475mm reach, and a wheelbase of 1271mm. Thanks, and that's all.